Dear students, welcome back. Okay, let us continue the problems of binary operation from the exercise 1.4. Okay, so let us see the next question. So question is question number 6. Let star be the binary operation on n given by a star b equal to LCM of a and b. Find. Okay, we have to find. There are five sub questions for the question number 6. Okay, 5 star 7, 20 star 16. Second one, is star commutative. Third one, is star associative. Fourth one, find the identity of star in n. Okay, fifth one, which element of n are invertible for the operation star. Okay, let us see one by one solutions. So solution, first write the given is on n set of natural numbers a star b equal to the LCM of a and b. LCM of a and b. Okay, take the first question number 1, 5 star 7. This is nothing but a LCM of 5 and 7, that is LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Okay, least common multiplier for the both 5 and 7, that is 35. 5 7s are 35, 7 5s are 35. That's why 35 is the LCM of 5 and 3. Next, 20 and 16. 20 and 16, LCM of 20 and 16, that is 80. Okay, right. Next, is star commutative anta keltare. Okay, let us check that. Second one, okay, a star b andre enadari LCM of a and b. ನೋಡ್ರಿ LCM of 5 and 7 ಅಂದರೂ 35, LCM of 7 and 5 ಅಂದರೂ 35. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನಾ ಈಗ LCM of b and a ನು ಬರಿಬೋದು ನಾ ಇದನ್ನ. LCM of a and b ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನ LCM of b and a, this is equal to b star a. b and a ಅಂದ್ರೆ b star a, this is a star b. Therefore star is commutative. Right. Next, is star associative anta keltare. Okay, so let us write the associativity, that is a star b bracket star c is equal to a star b andre LCM of a and b, right, star c. Okay, now so a and b ಆಯಿತು. LCM of a b and c, a b and c, right. now ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇವೆರಡೂ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ, b and c ನ. LCM of a star b star c, or else let us go through the one side. This is a star b star c, LCM of a b and c ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಏನದ ರೀ a star b star c ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಹೌದಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿ a star LCM of b and c. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. b star c ಅಂದರೆ LCM of b and c. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ a star LCM of a b and c. a ಒಂದು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನ, b and c ಇದ್ವಾ, b and c. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು LCM of a b and c, a star b bracket star c, a star bracket b star b c, LCM of a b and c. Therefore a star b star C equal to A star B star C. Therefore star is associative operation. Star is associative operation. Next one is find the identity of star in n. Okay, so fourth question, we have to find the identity of star in n. That is, so identity is nothing but we have to get the element A if you multiply with the any other one. So let us see. So let A star 1 equal to the LCM of A and 1. This is equal to A, right? Next, 1 star A equal to the LCM of 1 and A. This is equal to A. So it means A star 1 equal to A. This is equal to 1 star A. So this holds the definition of identity, existence of identity. Therefore 1 is the identity element of the operation star on n. Therefore 1 is identity for operation star on n, right? 1 is the identity of operation star on n, because nodri, for all A belongs to the n, A the set of natural number ದಾಗಿಂದ any element ತಗೊಂಡು 1 ಜೊತೆ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ LCM of A and 1 ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? A ನ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Therefore 1 is the identity element of operation star on the set n. Okay, next question, which element of n are invertible for the operation star? So invertible ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we should get identity element. Okay, let us take an element. Let A belongs to n be invertible with inverse B belongs to the set of natural number. So therefore A star B equal to the 1, this is equal to B star A. So ಏನ್ರಿ, if 1 ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, A star B equal to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ B is the inverse of A ಆದಾಗ. ಸೊ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ನಾಗ 1 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ LCM ಆಫ್ A ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ B 1 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ A ಮತ್ತು B ಎರಡೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇಫ್ A equal to B equal to 1. So therefore A equal to B equal to 1 ಆದ್ರೆ only 1 is the invertible element in the set of a natural number. Therefore 1 is the invertible element in n for star. ಸೊ 1 ಯಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, A ಸ್ಟಾರ್ B LCM ಆಫ್ A ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ B 1 ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 1 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಬಿನೂ 1 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 1 star 1 LCM of 1 and 1 is always 1. Therefore ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ these two should be equal to the 1. Therefore so existence of inverse is possible only if A equal to 1, B equal to 1, and 1 is the only invertible element in the set of natural number n for the operation star, right? This is about the inverse. Fifth question. Okay, see the next question. Is star defined on the set A is equal to the 1 2 3 4 5 by A star B is equal to the LCM of A and B? Is star a binary operation? First we have to check, is star a binary operation? Justify your answer andara. So by checking the binary operation or not, we can conclude the answer. Okay, we can justify this answer for this question. Okay, so set A equal to the 1 2 3 4 5, A star B is equal to the LCM of A and B, right? So set A दागिन any two elements choose ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವೆರಡು ಥರದ LCM ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬಂದಂಥ LCM should also belongs to the set A, ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಾಕತಿ star is a binary operation. ಹೌದಾ? Okay, let us take any two numbers. So let 1 star 2 equal to the LCM of 1 and 2, that is 2. Okay, so this 1 and 2 belongs to the set A, 2 also belongs to the set A. Again check one more, 2 star 3 equal to the LCM of 2 and 3, this is equal to the 6, right? So see, 2 3 belongs to the set A, but LCM of 2 and 3 6 doesn't belongs to the set A. Therefore star is not binary operation, right? So we can conclude that our answer is star is not a binary operation on the set A. So the operation A star B equal to LCM of A and B on the set A is not a binary operation, because so LCM of 2 and 3 6 doesn't belongs to the set A, therefore it is not a binary operation. Okay, right. Okay, question number 8, let star be the binary operation on n defined by A star B equal to the HCF of A and B, highest common factor of A and B. Is star commutative? Is star associative? Does there exists identity for this operation on n? Okay, we have to check, is it commutative, associative, and is there existence of identity or not for this operation. Okay, on the set of natural numbers. Okay, let us see the solution. On n, on the set of natural number, operation is A star B is equal to the HCF of A and B, right? So we have to check commutativity first. Okay, so I will put headline commutativity. Okay, right. Let for all A and B belongs to the set of natural numbers. Okay, A star B is equal to the HCF of A and B according to the given. Okay, this is, so HCF of A and B andru onde, HCF of B and A andru onde, hauda? So this is equal to the HCF of A and B ಅಂದರೆ A star B ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, HCF of B and A ಅಂದರೆ B star A, ಹೌದಾ? Therefore A star B equal to B star A for all A B belongs to the set of a natural number. Therefore star is commutative on n, on the set of natural numbers. Next, associativity. Okay, so associativity. Next, that is let A, B and C belongs to the set of natural numbers. So associativity ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ at least 3 elements ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತವೆ. So So let us consider a, b and c belongs to the set of natural number. So now a star b star c equal to the a star b, first bracket solve ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ. HCF of a and b star c, right? This is equal to the HCF of a, b and c. Okay, so one side आता ಇನ್ನೊಂದು side check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. That is a star b star c is equal to the a star b star c solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is HCF of b and c. HCF of b and c. So this is equal to the a star HCF of b and c ಅಂದ್ರೆ HCF of a, b and c, right? So ನೋಡ್ರಿ, HCF of a, b and c bracket a star b star c, HCF of a, b and c a star bracket b star c. So therefore a star b bracket star c equal to a star bracket b star c. So associativity hold I3. This implies star is associative on set of natural numbers, right? So lastly ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅದ ರೀ. Does there exist identity for this operation on n? Okay, so let us see. Let e be the identity element. Okay, so let an element e belongs to n. E belongs to n will be the identity for the operation star. So this will be the identity for the operation star on n, right? So to get the existence of identity, so the condition is a star e equal to the a, this is equal to the e star a, means HCF of a and e is a, e and a, HCF of e and a should be ea. So for all a belongs to n, for all a belongs to n, but this relation is not true. This relation is not true for all a belongs to n. So this relation is not true for all a belongs to the n. Therefore identity does not exist for star in n, means any element a star e. Okay, so HCF highest common factor of those two ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ a ಬರಬೇಕು. So for all any element from the set of natural numbers consider ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ this is not possible. ಈ relation hold ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Therefore this relation is not true for all a belongs to n. Therefore identity doesn't exist for star in set of natural numbers, okay, for this operation. Okay, so let us continue the remaining problems in the next class. Only there are 4 questions remained in the exercise. So after that it completes your relation and function chapter. Okay, let us see those remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.